Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML quickly. First, understand that HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language for creating web pages. It uses a system of elements and tags to structure content, like headings, paragraphs, and images. Your web browser then reads this code to display the page. You can start writing HTML with just a simple text editor. Next, let's dive into the most essential HTML elements you'll use constantly. You'll quickly grasp tags for headings, paragraphs, links, and images. Remember, most tags have both an opening and a closing part like P and /P. Attributes are also key. They give extra details to your elements, such as a link's destination or an image source. Now, let's put it all together to build your very first HTML page. Every document starts with a doc-type HTML declaration, followed by the HTML tag. Inside HTML, you'll find head for page information and body for everything visible to users. Focus on structuring your content logically within the body using appropriate tags for clarity and accessibility. To solidify your learning, consistent practice is crucial. Try building a few simple web pages on your own, experimenting with different tags and attributes. You can use free online editors or a local text editor on your computer. Once you feel comfortable with HTML, consider exploring CSS to style your pages and JavaScript to add dynamic interactivity. Keep building.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.